Yeah, it's 11:08 a.m. on January 2nd. So I'm just doing a spontaneous cats video. I checked the jobs, nothing there. So tomorrow I'll go to the food bank. See, she doesn't quite go for it. Yeah, so I said in my tape, I saw Joe there last night. I've seen Emily there numerous times, and like I say, I happen to have the washer there, but not always when the washer's there. It's been going on for a while, and I should have taped it. Like I said, it's sort of onerous. You want to have a record of these things, because I know what the face they're presenting and what's going on here belies whatever public face they're presenting. However, the more I seem to, like I said, the more I seem to tape these things, the more it just adds fuel to the fire. No pun intended. And I have to tape more and more. And that's the whole idea, like I said this morning. But I'll just watch. I have to watch. In other words, I'm getting the message. I have to watch them. Yeah. Okay. Basically, and last night, I believe it was yesterday, I was going to put a pot of water on to boil for some pasta while I took a shower. Well, I didn't do that because of this situation. I thought, what if they go up there with pot of hot water on the stove and they're jumping up there and I'm in the shower. So I thought of this, so I guess I'll just have to watch it. I don't really do any elaborate cooking anyway. Okay. So she's not really going for this. Let me see what the weather's going to be tomorrow for tomorrow morning. Oh, it's going to rain tomorrow? Oh, how interesting. 100% chance of rain. Tomorrow, 100% chance of rain. Saturday, 1-3. Periods of... Okay, let's see right here. I'm looking at the Weather Underground. Periods of rain, high 46. Winds east-southeast at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of rain, 100%. Rainfall around 1/4 of an inch. So what is let me see. Oh, okay. So I go around 8, between 8 and 10. So I leave around 8, and I usually get home around 10, so it just says 63% to 61% chance. It just says overcast. So when it's the rain, it looks like there's a lot of rain in the afternoon starting at noon. You'll see all these rain clouds here. So, yeah, maybe I'll beat it, so. And the other one is the weather.com. Saturday rain likely. 1/4 of an inch. New virus. Okay. The camper you wish you owned. Hourly. Weekend. So we'll look at weekend. Saturday. Oh, alright, let's just look at hourly. Hourly. Now, where is it? The hourly. Okay. Okay. This says... Oh, this has a different... It says 8 a.m. tomorrow. 32. Feels like 27. 39. Feels like 34. Up to 10. By 10, it warms up to 41. Feels like 35. Alright, it just says cloudy. I don't know. Alright. You want to see my... Yeah, here's my... Emily Hines. Emily Hines B. Yeah, Bina. I don't know. I can't be bothered. There's an avalanche of BS. Where's my YouTube page? Oh. Natalie Wood, What's My Line? What is this? Controversial movies, explicit by WatchMojo.com. Ray Manzarek in Venice. Meryl Streep making of Sophie's Choice. You see, it goes on and on. I posted that yesterday, didn't I? The Doors, Rock is Dead. Natalie Wood. I've seen that a couple of times. A Rex Reed's movie guide. I actually had that. I had that Rex Reed's movie guide when I was while I was living with my parents and around the time of my hospitalization, while they were alive and down here, and I was down here. Yeah, I bought a bunch of movies, and I bought Rex Reed's movie guide. Alright, so, okay, endless fascination, yeah, but, so let's continue with this then. These guys gonna come in here. Actually, let's go outside. So as you can see, you know, maybe I should do something different and try to play with somebody who doesn't play that much. Simon doesn't really play. Moxie, he doesn't seem to want to. Where's my other thing go? Come on, guys. Come over here. Come on, guys. Hi, Jack. Jack boy. So there's sometimes a nauseating. Sometimes I get nauseous. Yeah, I gotta turn this off now. The heat's starting to come up and I don't need it. Nauseating, and I feel slightly nauseated, and I'm sure it has something. It's somehow related to the heat. And then I have to go around and open all the windows. You know, this goes back to actually July of this year. One time I had to do it. I kept falling asleep and falling asleep. I was looking at Yes Network videos. Falling asleep, I went around and opened all the windows in the house. Had my winter coat on. It was cold. But, yeah, I also, this past winter, had the occasion to look at the New Jersey Natural Gas website. I think I wrote about this, didn't I? And it had a picture, a cartoon, like a cartoon character, porcupine. Picture of a porcupine. And with the words poison. It said poison. Yeah, so I haven't seen that, for a long, long time. But at first I did. So now these things are tangled up here. Let's see. So there's something going on with the gas. I had to do it yesterday. I was feeling nauseous, and I had to open the window, turn on the fan, and get some fresh air in here. Hi, Simon. And at that time, I don't know exactly when I started posting on the social media, but not right away. I wasn't. Not right away. No. Moxie he doesn't like, and he used to run through the tunnel. He used to like to do that. See how hard he does? He doesn't do it anymore. He doesn't even get down from wherever he's sitting to go in the tunnel. So when was that porcupine thing? I don't know. March, April, something like that. It was like red. Red. It was odd. Very odd. An odd thing. But everything is so surreal. And speaking of, Twilight Zone, it's exactly what it's like. That you don't even, I don't know, what are you supposed to do? I could call up and, I don't know. Yeah, I guess I could have called up, but, it's so stressful. You're not really thinking about that. It's just a given that everything is weird and off the wall. And people are out to get you. So that was one indication. Anyway, so, I don't know. I don't think I'm going to make this as long because I just don't feel like doing it. It takes too long to upload and all that. Besides, I'm not doing anything. Let's try it out here. Alright, never mind. Okay. I don't feel like doing any more. It's 15